Hello my dear children, I hope you all are good. Let us start our chapter number 14, Natural Wonders of the World. Question you can write, name 7 natural wonders of the world. There are many such sites on the earth that have been considered for inclusion in the list of 7 natural wonders of the world. Let us know about some of them. Look at the pictures, read the description and name the natural wonders. You can take help from the clue box. Number 1 is, this is the highest mountain in the world. This highest point is located in the Himalayas at a height of 8,848 meters in the country of Nepal. It's Mount Everest. Next is, this is a stone forest, a collection of limestone formation extended over a surface of 500,000 square kilometers. The stone appear in various shapes ranging from pinnacle, column, mushroom and pagoda shape. Some of them are up to 30 meters tall. They are located in Kunming, the capital of Yunnan state of China. Answer is Shilin Stone Forest. Number 3, this is world's largest coral reef system. Children, coral reefs are large underwater structures composed of the skeleton of colonial marine invertebrates called coral. It is composed of billions of tiny organisms known as coral polyps. It is located in the Coral Sea off the coast of Queensland, Australia. Answer is the Great Barrier Reef. Number 4, it is a very big valley of the Arizona state of USA. It is more than 446 km long and 29 km wide. It is formed by the river Colorado that has been eroding it since the last 17 million years. Answer is the Great Canyon. Number 5, these are the glowing sheets of lights in the sky. They are also called as dancing wares and northern lights. These lights make impressive display in the sky. These can be seen near Magnetic Pole, which is near the Arctic island of Canada. And they are called Aurora Borealis. This is the youngest volcano in Mexico. It is started as a fissure in the cornfield of a farmer in 1943. The farmer and his family witnessed the eruption of ash and stones. Frequent eruptions in the first year buried the surrounding villages in lava and ash. It last erupted in 1952. Paracutin. Number 7. It is the second largest city of Brazil. Its harbor surrounded by mountains and other beautiful formation. It is world's famous. It is also called Guanabara Bay, and answer is harbor of Rio de Janeiro. Chapter 15, Sweet sour berries. Question you can write, what are berries? Berries are small fleshy or juicy fruits that grow on bushes. Generally, they are sweet or sour in taste. The pictures of some popular berries with clues are given below. Identify them and write their names. You may take help from the clue box. Children, I hope you might have eaten these berries. First, it contains all major minerals such as copper, calcium, phosphorus, manganese, magnesium and potassium. It's gooseberry. It is grown in sandy bogs or marshes. It's cranberry. It is a key to looking youthful, feeling great and keeping healthy and nourished. It's red currant. It is used as a major antioxidant agent. It is elderberry. It wears its seeds on the outside. Strawberry. It is one of the only natural food that are truly blue in color. Blueberry. Can be a satisfying addition to a calorie-reduced diet. Avocado. It is much cultivated for ornament. Berberries. Its leaves are commonly used in herbal medicines. Bearberry. Now chapter 16, herbal medicine. Question you can write, name some medicinal herbs. There are several herbs that are used to cure different kinds of ailments. These herbs are known for their medicinal properties. Can you name the following herbs? You may use clue box. It is an all-powerful herb that lowers cholesterol, guides against cancer, and helps fight weight loss. It's green tea. You might have heard about green tea. It is an important herb for improving blood flow and treating cuts and burns. Turmeric. It is the most commonly used herb for treating wounds, skin conditioning, and fighting infection. Nowadays very famous, it's aloe vera. It is a bitter flavored herb that is an effective digestive aid. Fenugreek. It is an aromatic herb used to treat stomachache and also used as flavoring in drinking and beverages. Mint. It is a herb used as a base for toothpaste and helps in treatment of malaria and fever. Neem. It is a herb that contains omega-3 fatty acids for heart strength and circulatory function. Flax seeds. It is a wonderful herb that helps in treating high cholesterol and guards against severe cough and cold. Basil. Now IQ test, what make plants look green? Presence of chlorophyll. Children, chlorophyll is present in plants. That is why their color is green. So my dear children, we can use these herbs for curing different diseases. They are very useful. So what we have done today, you are supposed to revise and learn. Goodbye. Take care.